Alright, I'm settled in at the motorcycle swap meet, boondocking in the field here. And they do have camping with electric and everything, but I'm just running my generator. It's still hot as hell here in Florida, so got the air conditioner going. But I'm going to make this tonight. Fried shrimp in the air fryer. It says to preheat the air fryer to 390, which I've already done. And then you put about 12 of these in a basket. My air fryer is not that big, so I'm not going to put that many in. And I'm going to put about half of that. And it says for 7 to 8 minutes. Pretty good size. They don't look bad. I'll put oh, let's see how many I can get in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go with 9. Okay. And got 9 in the basket. Okay. 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, these back in the freezer. And I threw in a few of these Checkers, famous seasoned fries with them too. So have that with it. And they're ready. I'm starved. I got here way after dark. I had me some groceries. Alright, it's time to chow. Peace. Like some storms moving in. That's where they're setting up the motorcycle swap meet, way up there. There's one other boondocker way over there. You can barely see his lights on. They're in a Class C. Starting to lightning now. Nasty looking sky. Hunker down for the night. Morning. Thanks. Give you a ticket for a free drink, beer or soda or whatever you want. I have to find the ATM. I'm kind of early. It's only like 7 o'clock.
Grandpa turned to the cashier and he said, "My compliments to the photographer." Grandpa really hated Grandma's cooking. He said it got so bad there for a while, all the flies kicked in and got the screen.
ATM. Okay. Wow, $3.50 charge. Okay. I've got to go pay for my camping.
The same camera that named our Rottweiler Jesus. Like dog
Morning.
jokes, huh, Gary? Dog walks into a bar, climbs up on a bar stool, and says, "I'll have a beer."
Feel the same badness, but it's like it's right there. Just want to go outside. Very nice. I was over.
Well, they're the look like the sunglass guy gives me, and they're them radar, the band ray or whatever they are. Bands? Yeah, they're there.
Good morning, girls.
What can we do for you?
I was parked last night in the field, and I want to park tonight for the flea market tomorrow. What do you charge me?
You're just parked. You're not
No,
using
no
electricity?
electric. No, I'm using my generator.
Night and 20 for tonight.
Sounds like a winner. Thank you.
Because it's usually $20 a night, but I know you didn't come in till late last night. So.
No, yeah, I got here late.
Yep.
What's your name?
Robert
Last name?
Smith, all my life.
What the hell? Hello. All right, how about you this morning?
going to be a $2.50 card charge, okay?
All right. Is what it is. No chip.
Anywhere on that one, please?
All right.
There you go.
Where's the pool?
Well, if you want to visit Lake Webster, it's down there.
Okay, thank you. They charged me $10 for last night. Wasn't too bad because I got in late. And $20 for tonight because I'm going over to the flea market tomorrow. The flea market's on Mondays. It's kind of weird, but I'm looking for as a primary cover for my 1200 XL.
Alright, I'll do that price. You want to throw this in for free? No. Yeah, 10 and 12. Really? Sure. Was like, I know what all the lights and everything work. No, yeah, you can check. No. That's not a concern. I just, the only thing I was worried about.
You don't see three-wheelers very often anymore.
Steve and I have been best friends for a lot of years. I lived with him and his family when his kids were this big. Now they're 40 years old.
I remember when them things was everywhere.
He's a fucking finicky bitch, man. If I tell him something, even me, he actually put my own gun to my head one time because we lived in Virginia Beach and the Renegades stole one of his motorcycles because he was fucking one of their girlfriends. Anyway, that's neither here nor there, but he actually took my gun and put it to my head and said, "You don't know nothing about my motorcycle." And I was like, "Holy shit, this motherfucker's not right in the head." Oh man. But he since then he quit drinking and drugging years ago, and he's turned into a really good person. And I just was up in Virginia, or North Carolina, and saw him.
It's like 1200 there, but needs a lot of work.
Where's this bike going?
Finally, he picked on me at like 1 o'clock on Wednesday. Back to fucking customer.
Good, how are you?
Yeah, look at the belt guard.
Hey, listen,
The belt guard.
next weekend, I'm going to have Ryan's bike probably done.
Oh yeah,
Day.
double barrel.
But next weekend, me and Margo are going.
Very cool.
The only time of the year that we get this opportunity. Yes, KOA bullshit. Yeah. Now.
Well, I had a great time at the motorcycle swap meet today. I've seen a lot of cool stuff. Didn't find the parts that I wanted, but that's the way it goes at a swap meet. So I'm going to go ahead and boondock here tonight. Good morning. Had my coffee, had my breakfast, and I head over to the flea market, see what they got.
Those days are gone for me.
Full of vintage 70s Barbie and accessories.
Webster Flea Market is one of the biggest flea markets in Florida.
Hey, where's Joey T?
In the car.
Joe, what soda? What kind of soda you want, Joe? Joe! What kind of soda you want?
All kinds of glassware.
What you got on this one, man? No, see, that's it.
If you pick out more, I'll give you another. Them are nice old plates. Large, too. Really nice. That's one. Next weekend, I'm going back in Greenwich. Okay. Where are you?
Right in San Diego.
Okay.
Like Dade City.
Sorry, I drive it from the front door, but I got that.
Dash cam.
YouTube channel.
Not gonna hurt to ask.
Yeah, you already got everything. Oh, yeah. I had no chance. I even got here 20 minutes early.
Well, what happened was,
At least mine looks better than yours.
40.
Kind of cool. Is that old toaster?
Alright, thank you, sir. Alright, I'll walk my way that way. I'm already down this aisle and my wife is. That's fine.
Getting tired.
Yeah.
This
see something, let me know. I'll give you a price. Okay.
Yeah, my ex, she made curtains, kitchen windows. Got
I've only got one life, but I want you in it.
But I'll let go for 350. The bikes were like when I was a kid. I got a blue one, like this one, and then I have that one's $225. I had almost the exact same banana seat. Stuff like that. Brakes up there. I had an orange one of these with the gear shift. The high-rise handlebars. I had a tall sissy bar though. Came up to about here.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. I mean, yeah. If you hang on, let me go. That's a fastback swim. Very cool.
Okay, I'll be
Very
here.
cool.
I'll talk to you later. Okay.
We had cool stuff back in the 60s. Good old days. I remember putting a quarter's worth in my Suzuki 250 and riding it to junior high school all week long on 25 cents worth of gas.
Justin. Peanut jar?
65.
It's open.
Well, here we go to ATM, but we get no service, you know.
Across the street is all covered, so I'm doing the outside stuff first before it gets too hot. Then I'll go over and do under all the sheds with a shade.
It's cute.
1950s. My brother had one of these when he was little.
Mine too. He's gone now.
Yeah, mine is too.
Except for my brother's was blue.
Yeah.
How are you, my friend?